Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be testing out this hair product. And this is the Color Wow Root Cover-Up, Camouflage Roots and Dark Regrowth Instantly. If you're interested in checking out this product and seeing how it works, then subscribe to my channel and let's head into it. So I've zoomed you guys up a little bit so you can see the product up close. This is the box. And let's see what you get inside. This is about $30. I picked it up on Amazon. I saw Katie, formerly known as Lustrelux, Katie, try this out on her channel and rave about it, how she says this is like a godsend. So I figured I wanted to pick it up and give it a shot. This is what the package looks like. And on the inside, you get a mirror, which is nice. And you get this brush, which is double-ended. And then you get this little powder right here. And I picked it up in the shade medium brown, and I thought we would give it a shot and try to fill in my patches. So my problem is I like to tie my hair so much that even when I sleep I tie my hair, which I've heard is horrible because it gives you breakage, obviously. And now I have breakage and like kind of like bald spots, man. It's like so not cool. It is so not cool for my hair to play me like this, okay? I treat it well. Okay, I treat it very well, except for keeping it in a ponytail all the time. But yeah, let's just try this out. So I'm going to peel this off of my mirror, and I'm going to pull this close. What do you think we should try? Should we try this one first, or this side? Let's do this one. Okay, so it basically, let's test it out on the back of my hand. Oh, okay, just powder. Does it blend? Okay, just powder. Oh, all right. So let's try. Not a lot of fallout, just kind of looks like an eyeshadow really. All right, so let's. Let's try the other end. Well. Huh. Let's go up here. Here I have a lot of whiteness. Let's try the other brush. Well, that is definitely filling everything in. You gotta be careful because it does deposit a lot of product. And then once it's there, the product does not really seem to want to move. I actually need to say I quite like that. Quite. So, I must say that I think that this brush, this side of the brush right here, works great when it comes to applying it and getting it on the skin, whereas this works nice if you, first of all, if you want like a clean cut, precise line, because this is more rounded, but this is like flat. So if you just want to place the product, this will give you a nice, if you just want to place the product, this will give you a nice flat line. But what's also nice is it's good, like, putting it over the hair, like pulling the hair with it, whereas this is good to like smudge it into the skin. So that looks nice. My hairline looks a lot fuller. Now for the test. I mean, it's not a grand test, but let's just see what happens when I run my clean hand through my hair. Okay, so let's just give it a minute, let it just sit and simmer. Let's let it sit and marinate. That's the word. Ah, Suzanne, thought of the word. We'll let it marinate for like a minute or so, and then I'm going to, so we're going to let it marinate for a while, and then I'm going to put my hand through my hair and we'll see what happens. Has anybody tried this product or tried to do anything like it? I've taken an eyeshadow a time or two and like put it on my hair just to cover certain spots. I think I've done that in the past. I mean, the eyeshadow didn't cost me $30 just for it, but this is nice and compact and it serves a specific purpose, which is nice. You have the color that you want. I wonder if you could use this in your brows too. Like, since it's for your hair, if you want your brows to match, why not just grab a little bit of a brush, a little small little brush, and kind of, you know? Oh, this would totally work. Oh yeah, totally. You can already see like the difference in the darkness. Not mad about it. Just so you guys know, my brows are never twins. They're cousins. Probably distant cousins. Yeah, when I was young, my sister and I were taking a shower, and luckily, it was only my eyebrow that suffered. Yeah, my sister shaved off my brow. Yeah, this one. And so this is the great one. This is a good one, and this one has never been the same. And neither have I. All right, so I think it's been a few minutes now. Let's see what happens. You see what I'm doing, right? Let me grab a paper towel. Now, I don't know how this is going to work one way or the other. I don't know if it's supposed to come off or not, but just figured we'd test it. Let's see. Oh, and I'm going to start back here a little bit because, you know, I have foundation through my hairline, so it could be foundation, so. So if you look closely, it picks up a little bit. Right there. You can see a little bit, but a little bit. Now, let's take this test just one step further. I'm going to take my water bottle. I'm going to put some water on my paper towel. And let's see if it picks it up. Okay, so it definitely picks up more with water, but still, if you look at it, like it's still in there. So I don't know if you'll wake up in the morning and there'll be some brown stuff on your pillowcase, but if you know what's in your hair, just shower before you go to bed. Browns. No. Looks good. Looks good. I really like this. I think it definitely serves a nice purpose. And it's great for covering up if you have some white hairs that are, look, thank God I haven't started dealing with this yet. My husband gets a lot of white hairs now. I'm 27. Haven't had any yet, so praise the Lord for that. Yeah. So the only time I need to color my hair is when I want it to be red, but not because I need to. So knock on wood. All right, so I think this is a great product. It is definitely, you know, A++. We'll give it 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 stars. I really like this. The price is a little up there. It's $30, so it is a little up there, but they have some nice shades, and there's a good amount of product. Like, I don't think you will ever go through this whole thing, and it serves its purpose. I will definitely be taking this with me wherever I go. Like, you can't even tell. Like, I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. I mean, or a little bit, and see, you can't really tell if there's anything in there. And hey, use it as a multitasker and put it in your brows too, like I did. That way your hair matches your brows. I love that. I hate it when, like, hopefully I didn't break it. I hate it when, like, people dye their hair blonde and they leave their brows brown. Like, that just really gets on my nerves. Like, make your brows match your hair. I don't know, to each his own, I guess. But, so this product I really like, and I will keep using it. In fact, I'll probably just keep it in my purse. Pop it in my purse, use it whenever I want it. Whenever I need it. My hair is feeling sparse. Alright, so that is it for this video. Let me know if you tested this out or if you plan on testing it out. I'll put the link down below. I just picked it up on Amazon, so I will put the site that you can just click on and go to it. Not sponsored, not commissioned or anything. It's just the website, pretty much. You can also check it out. Google Color Wow Amazon and it'll pop up as well. It's a great product. I think it's a nice little investment, especially if you're a little self-conscious about these sparse areas, because I am. Especially when I wear my hair a certain way. Like, when it's down, it's fine, but when I wear it back, sometimes I get a little sparse and it really drives me nuts. So this is nice. This is nice. It's nice if also your roots are coming up and they're a little bit lighter than you want them to be, or if you have some whites in there and you want to cover that up. This is a very beneficial product, so top notch by me. So thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something new or found a product that you're interested in trying. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried it before, if you plan on trying it, if you don't plan on trying it, if you've tried it and you don't like it, let me know. Alright, give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe to my channel, please. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.